can see, wow, the red delicious. Hello guys. Okay, today we start our crops, our harvesting time is coming. Okay, let me show you. This is just the start. Okay, let's go. As you can see, this is the good crop. Okay, as you can see, we just start. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, the beginning of harvest of tomatoes harvest. You can see, wow, the red delicious. Okay, as you can see, everywhere, this is the good harvest. The good harvest. This is only small tip small video we can give you, we can show you. Do not play with gardening. Gardening, like I told you, is the only way you can make money. You can make big money, more money, which don't lie. The ground does not lie. When you plant, you will harvest. Okay? I'll show you again. This is look this in the market. See, like this, how birds eat tomatoes. Okay, look. Harvest time. Red tomatoes everywhere. This is from Happy Garden. We are in How Tomatoes Happy Garden. Okay, as you can see, tomatoes, red tomatoes in Happy Garden. See, you can see everywhere red tomatoes in Happy Garden. Okay, red tomatoes in Happy Garden. As you can see, like I told you, water is everywhere. See water everywhere, and you can see red everywhere. Okay, this is yeah, gardener. Look what birds can do. This is a good fruit. Okay, as you can see. Look. Look. Can destroy our crop. Look. Okay. It's red everywhere. It's red everywhere. Okay, friends, this is, I don't know what I can tell to the young people in over the world. The ground does not lie. Is the only thing is real. To make money legally, good money, big money, and money. Okay, this is the harvest time in Happy Garden. Okay, start your agriculture. Start your agriculture business. This is the only thing which don't lie. Plants, and you will harvest after 3 months. After 3 months. Okay? It's a blood. Look, look. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm just coming from our Happy Garden. Okay, this is what we are going to eat today. Look. Okay, you see? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, nothing to say.